Hey there, keto enthusiasts! If you're like me, you love the benefits of the ketogenic diet, but the thought of giving up bread is a bit of a downer. But fear not, because today we're diving into a game-changing solution for your keto journey, Keto Breads. I haven't tried this product before, so we're going to explore it together. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know. Before we jump into Keto Breads, let's start with the basics. The ketogenic diet is all about shifting your body into ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel. This low-carb, high-fat approach offers numerous health benefits, including weight loss and improved blood sugar control. Now, here's the issue. Traditional bread is a no-go on keto because it's carb-heavy and can quickly kick you out of ketosis. But coming on, giving up bread is entirely a tough ask for many of us. And here's where Keto Breads come to the rescue. These bread alternatives are designed for us keto enthusiasts. They're crafted with keto-friendly ingredients like almond flour, coconut flour, psyllium husk, and flaxseed meal. Plus, they're low in net carbs and gluten-free. One of the coolest things about Keto Breads is their versatility. You can use them to make sandwiches, toast, croutons, or even whip up keto-friendly versions of your favorite baked goods like muffins, rolls, and pizza crusts. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, Keto Breads allows you to enjoy bread while staying within your daily carb limit, ensuring you stay in ketosis. Secondly, the healthy fats and fiber in these breads can help you feel full and satisfied, which is a fantastic way to reduce the temptation to snack on high-carb options. And oftentimes, these keto breads contain nutrient-dense ingredients, adding extra vitamins and minerals to your diet. While Keto Breads can be a fantastic addition to your keto lifestyle, remember the golden rule: moderation. Even low-carb alternatives contain calories, so overindulging can hinder your progress. To make things even easier for you, we've done some research and found a selection of high-quality keto breads. These products are carefully crafted with your health and taste buds in mind, ensuring that you can enjoy the pleasures of bread while staying true to your ketogenic goals. In conclusion, Keto Breads are a delicious solution for keto enthusiasts who don't want to give up on bread. These low-carb, high-fat bread alternatives offer the taste and texture you crave while allowing you to maintain the many benefits of the ketogenic diet. Whether you're making sandwiches, enjoying a slice of toast, or satisfying your baking desires, Keto Bread can be a game-changer in your ketogenic journey. Don't sacrifice your bread cravings. Embrace the world of keto-friendly bread and elevate your keto experience today. Thanks for joining me on this keto journey. If you've tried Keto Breads, please share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more keto-friendly tips and reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our keto adventures. Until next time, stay keto and stay healthy.